Hey, my people, oh. Tiwa lied to us. Hey, Tiwa. Ah, baby, you form my hand big time. Jesus Christ. Hello, my people. How are you all doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Still your girl, Army Bestie. You are new here. You are welcome. My people, now just quick update I won't give you now. Oh, I know say a few days ago, Tiwa Savage carry her kele lego come out. Come tell us say he get some people where they blackmail her. Say he go pay money because they hold her pekus and do video. Una know that kind thing. Now, so everybody come dey pity for Tiwa. But how this thing take leak? Now, so Tiwa come out again, come say, he say na from Snapchat. Wait till una snap, how una chat and the thing come leak? We don't understand. When I hear that one, I come to ask myself, what do una mean say from Snapchat una mistakenly upload them? Like una two agree say me una tape una. I don't understand it. The thing no dey straight. Since this thing came out, I first came out in the other platform, I just talk and say, if these people release this thing, make people no share me, I no go share them because it no good. You know, people don't they use their blackmailing way they extort money from from some people, you know. So after I talk that one, another one don't just they come out how Tiwa say the thing take leak. I say, hey, this thing no day straight again. Like Tiwa no be one village girl like that now. How you go date that kind careless? He say again, you go talk to the son. After that one, now so the husband they come out type in one, you know, condemn Tiwa, no go they throw ways they give Tiwa. The way the man type in one, he good. Let's say they tell him the truth, say see waiting they go on that make him come type like that. As I say, ooh, the man try you. Some uneducated men they no go take him like that. After some days again, a lot of people come they say they don't get them. Me, I no get. Last yesterday morning. But yeah, yesterday morning the thing come land for my phone. I watch the thing. I say, shoo, my people. If you wanna see this girl, it look like Tiwa. It look like Tiwa. Like it go look very well. You know, say no be Tiwa, but the girl really look like Tiwa. But waiting comfort. Tire me, say when I they watch that thing, the way they position the camera, the attention the girl they give, the body language and everything. Now, like normal do. As I watch and I say, does it mean Tiwa they collect money? They do this kind of thing like onto business when onto porn, you know? I could say maybe. The mistakenly the thing can't leak. Now you can't come out to say the thing they use them the blackmail. Now so me I can't the reason more because if you watch them, you go no say na something where go they pay the girl. But I can't ask myself how much are they going to pay Tiwa? When you say Tiwa go subject herself, you know, like agree to do this kind of thing. I can't get confused. I watch the video again, watch them again. I can't ask myself, is this Tiwa? But if you look like if you know Tiwa know her pictures very, very well, you go still see some little things where you know go convince you. As I watch them, I can't show my own hobby. I say, look this face, look this now the same person. Now one can't look and say not the same person. But me, I know they convinced. I wanted to come out, I wanted to do the video yesterday. And my topic for be Tiwa. Waiting out for title that the video if say I do am yesterday. Now my own to ask Tiwa whether she they collect money for this kind of thing. I've been where they do another business where we no way. Because the video where me watch show that the na film na acting na as in how I go put na business the person they no be saying just they have fun with somebody they date. Because the position of the camera shows that something is like, you know. And for Tiwa, looking at Tiwa, like, how can you allow somebody, okay, who be that person where they control that camera? I don't know if you now understand me. Now, all this that come they ask, I say, no, Tiwa, they do another business. Maybe they don't get problem and the thing can't come out. Now, so I they put on my people, might not talk too much. Now, when Kemi came out, can't talk her own. The thing won't convince me because somebody like Kemi, I say, if truly Kemi don't watch this video, that means say na Tiwa o, because they suppose not say this person no be Tiwa, but it look like Tiwa well. The way Kemi talk her own, come they say na the video crew member. I say maybe na me know they see this thing very well. I say okay, today I go make video about it. But I can't dey scared to make that video. I can't get cold feet to make that video to question Tiwa whether they do another business, because I'm not convinced saying that Tiwa be that thing. Thank God another person come first do video say no be Tiwa. I say hey, thank God though, because you know say somebody will carry herself come out to say nah she be the person in the video, and you to come out to say no be the person, you have to be very very sure. So I can't they give cold feet to talk him. But thank God, another person see wetin I see, carry the thing come out. So Tiwa kukuma do this thing to catch more fame. And I dey ask myself, now which kind of fame again Tiwa want to catch? Which people again you want to actually, like, you are known all over the world. What again you want people to know? I be your music not the sell again. Even if your music not the sell, you've made name, you've made money. Hi. Nothing people no go do for this fame, oh. Nothing. Now the same fame make person go BB Naija, forget herself. Forget her status as a married woman. The same fame. God, make I dey struggle the one why I dey struggle for Facebook, oh. If not only for Facebook, they know me, it's okay. Give me the grace, mine no cross my limits. Because I want people to know me. My people, I beg me not take them easy. For those of you that still, hey, I beg, share the video. I no go feel share that kind of video here. Now plus 18 video now. The only place where you go see that kind of thing now for Pono site. Because the thing now pure business something now. I no go feel share for Facebook. Nothing if I cover self-cover, where I go cover reach. And still when I go still come attack me, why you cover, you should they cover. So I just want to update you and I say that thing no be Tiwa. I don't watch him. It no be Tiwa. It look like Tiwa. Even I see some video where people they talk say Tiwa, the way you do the way you do. I want to say they don't look very well. That person no be Tiwa. Tiwa just did that thing to get more people for her music. This one way in drop make it sell well, you know, to get people's attention. But it's not good. It not be Tiwa. For some of you they say I beg send them, I want to watch. Some of you still there, you want to watch them, you want to watch them. Nothing to watch now, just pure porn something, then you go watch. You can still go to their website, go there, go watch. But no be Tiwa. I just want to clear on my mind some of my followers where when I hear day grand, we want to know what they go on. No be Tiwa, okay? That person no be Tiwa. I beg, mind the thing where they do, because say you want people to know you. Everything get limit. I don't know how people they enjoy make people know them with a bad thing. It no good. It get something where you go do. You stop. Tiwa, I dey very disappointed. I know say you go say I dey feed you, I dey give you money. You know, the respect where you gave before, if you see how we drop, because the way people go trash you for, say you want people to talk about you, want people to know about you. The way they go trash you for this thing where you do, you know go like her. Person where you be say if they get your own respect, you carry yourself come out, can't damage your reputation. Ain't no good. Mind what you they do because of money. Mind what you they do because of fame. Now be my own. I love you guys. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Welcome back. We are back full time. Guys, have a beautiful day. Bye.